Good afternoon, Kobe.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Welcome to the IELTS speaking test, part 2. In this part, I would like you to introduce and talk about a law, and please state why it was such a good idea to your country.
I would like to talk about the agreement of the Governor of Vientiane Capitals issued in 2025 pertaining to waste management and disposal, which supports the implementation of 2024 revised Environmental Protection Act of Laos PDR, specifically Articles 30 to 35 and 80, with regard to waste management, control and prohibition. From my perspective, it is a great idea to issue these legal frameworks, as environmental pollution has become a major concern in the whole country, particularly littering and improper waste management. Now, please allow me to give you a brief insight into this agreement. The agreement explicitly promotes the use of a systematic process and advanced technology, focusing on properly collecting, transporting, and disposing of insanitary landfills, as well as sorting out waste for recycling and generating additional income to local communities. The agreement also allows penalties and fines to those who don't conform to this act, specifically who discard the trash in open locations. This agreement makes it very clear that anyone who violates any of the terms will be prosecuted to full extent of the laws and fined at varying rates depending on the offense. The garbage producing individuals, entities, as well as domestic and international organizations based in Laos are obligated to follow all of the terms of waste management and collection contract and to drop off their garbage bags at the agreed upon location and time. Likewise, the garbage trucks must be delivered by waste management firms so that waste can be collected, transported, and disposed of in sanitary landfills and burned in temporary incinerators. As for hazardous waste, they must be well treated chemically and biologically. I find this agreement is crucial and essential, as it will help improve the image of Vientiane Capital, make it more livable and appealing to reside in. As I approach the end of my speaking, I would like to give you a final thought here. Environmental pollution is real and threatening our life on Earth, and the time to act is now. Otherwise, the problem will escalate further, bringing an uncertain future for further generations to come. To achieve the shared goal, collective efforts are strongly needed. Thank you very much.